Hey guys, Ashley coming to you from Party Perfect. I'm gonna show you a really simple but impressive napkin fold today. So we're gonna do the rosette fold. So we have our red napkin here, burgundy spun polyester. We're gonna start by just folding it on the diagonal. So we have a big triangle, and then we're just going to slowly wrap it upwards. You're gonna try to keep about a 1-inch spacing on this, just folding it until we completely overtake this triangle here. And then just kind of press it a little bit. We're then going to start from the long end and just wrap this inwards. So you can see as we build this that we're kind of building up the petals on our rose here. Once you get it all done, just tuck it in a little bit. I'm gonna grab our teacup, put that in. We're gonna top it off with a little faux greenery. So there you have it, rosette napkin fold. Hey everyone, Ashley at Party Perfect. Today I'm gonna teach you the triple pocket napkin fold. So you're gonna start with a flat napkin. Here we have our sage green polyester. You're going to fold it over once. We're gonna fold it over again, upwards. So we have all of our loose corners up in the top right. We're gonna pull the top right corner down to the bottom left. Crease it a little bit, grab the next layer, and we're gonna tuck that one under as we do it. Try to keep about 1-inch spacing between those folds. We're gonna grab the third layer, tuck that one under as well. Just try to keep it as even as possible. Then we're going to turn it and fold this side under. We're just gonna try to cover up this crease right here. And then we're gonna take the other side, tuck that under as well. Grab our plate, we have our Caroline china here today. Place it and tuck in your flatware. Fork, knife, spoon, and there you have it. 3-pocket napkin fold. Hey party people, Ashley here at Party Perfect, and today I'm gonna show you a super simple but really cool napkin fold. This is gonna be a modified bow fold. So we're actually going to start today with our plate on the table. We have our white Julia pattern here. We're gonna take our napkin and fold it over just once in half. Lay it completely over the plate, smooth it out. We're gonna tuck under these ends so that we have nice crisp edges. Then we're going to gather in the center, pull it together like a bow. We're gonna top that with our bread and butter or salad plate, just like that, so you can see that bow action. And this one's super useful because then you can top it with either your place card or your wedding favor. Hey there, Ashley at Party Perfect. Today I'm going to show you the easiest napkin fold that I know. There's no folding involved actually. This one is really good for when you want to add some height to your table and when you maybe have a low centerpiece or just want a little bit of added visual interest a little bit up higher. So literally just lay your napkin flat. You're going to pinch it from the center point like a handkerchief, grab it, and just roll it under a little bit. We're going to stick this into our wine glass and then just do a little bit of fluff. And there you have it.